Judas in my mind. I'm not supposed to be here. Welcome to Hey EW. Surprise, surprise, I'm not RJ City. This is your old pal Brodezilla, and obviously my guest is running a little bit behind. Great. Nonetheless, let's get started, shall we? Now it says here that you hail from Punxsutawney, the Windy City, Winnipeg, New Orleans, Blackpool, Oklahoma, from North Carolina, Champaign, Illinois, Deluge, Uncouth, Splendiferous, Penultimate, Confluence, Effervescent, Diatribe, Pusillanimous, Milieu, Je ne sais quoi, Maladroit, Salubrious, Preposterous, Serendipitous, Numino Ultramicroscopic Silicovolcanoconiosis, Fran Drescher, Lawrence Welk, Annie Lennox, Three's Company, like Falcor from Neverending Story, Benny Hill, Ponce de Leon, Coronation Street, Melissa Joan Hart, Kirstie Alley, Vivi Newworth, Shelley Long, and Rhea Perlman. Let's talk about your career, shall we? If this whole wrestling racket drops out, what's plan B for you? You are a role model. For who? Do you think there's an alternate universe? If this whole AEW roster was stranded on an island, tell me how you got your start. In the rodeo. I remember you saying that when you first started wrestling, you didn't know much about it. Do you think you ever will? Ever slap a tornado? You look outstanding. And you shouldn't. You know what I mean? When are you gonna start phoning it in? You once said that ever since the age of 4 you wanted to be a wrestler. What did you want to be between the ages of 1 and 3? If you're so good, why does it take so long? I am almost an adult. You are an adult. Why pretend to be a baby? It says here that you graduated from University Laboratory High School. That sounds fake. Why are Tony Schiavone so big? Oh, here we go. Hey, Saskatchewan! All Elite Wrestling makes its Regina debut with a live televised episode of Collision on Saturday, July 8th at the Brandt Center. And then just down the road, on Wednesday, July 12th, AEW comes to the birthplace of Stu Hart, Rowdy Roddy Piper, and the voice of Stampede Wrestling, Ed Whalen, when they take over the Sasktel Center in Saskatoon for a live, televised episode of AEW Dynamite. Tickets are on sale now. And don't forget...
Hey! You can sit down. I cannot fully express how disappointed I am in you personally and professionally. The second I got to this building, I knew something was wrong. I came here and it's you sitting here for God knows how long in this stupid outfit. Look at me. Look at me in my eye. You've broken my heart. Do you understand that? You've broken my heart and countless people across the country, perhaps across the world. I'm gonna leave. That's it. I'm leaving.
Don't forget to check out Hey EW with host RJ City and guest every Sunday morning on YouTube. You know what? That could have gone way worse. I'll buy him a Cobb salad and maybe some Swedish fish. I'm sure he'll be fine.